Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome. So let's get started. In Google Chrome, browsing data from incognito mode is not saved locally once the incognito window is closed. This means that your browsing history, cookies, and other site data from incognito sessions are automatically deleted when you close the incognito window. You don't need to manually delete incognito history because it is designed to be temporary and private. If you want to clear your regular browsing history in Google Chrome, you can do it. Open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. Select History from the menu. Click on History again. This will open a new tab showing your browser history. On the left sidebar, you will see options like Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. In the Clear Browsing Data window, you can select the time range for which you want to clear data. If you want to clear all history, select All Time. Click Clear Data to remove the selected data. Please note that clearing your regular browsing history doesn't affect the browsing data from incognito mode because, as mentioned earlier, it is automatically deleted when you close the incognito window. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.